Hello Cory, it's Rob here at Vos Motors taking this video especially for you of this 2015 Street Bob. It's a FXDF. It has only 2800 kilometers on it and the price is 16,488 including safety, no extra fees. The bike has tons of upgrades. This amazing 2-in-1 Pro pipe, it sounds just perfect. It has custom made hard bags, so it fits the signal lights and everything there. So, and it's the color is matching the original blue. So this one has an air cleaner, the highway bars, LED lights. Another big upgrade is this Batwing, which has a stereo system in it too. So the bike comes with ABS and is in just excellent condition. If you have any question regarding this motorcycle, please call me back at 905-660-2901. My extension is 212 and I'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you.